Oh, damn it. He got off. No, he didn't. Well, I'm moving. The drag's too loose. Pickerel hunter here. I'm gonna try a new adventure I got here. An inflatable boat. I'm gonna inflate it and try to go in the pond here. I never did this before, so I'm gonna try it. We'll see you on the waters. There's nothing popping in. I don't know where to go. I'm gonna switch my lure up. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on the frog. I'm gonna try moving, guys. I'm gonna put the anchor in. It's not deep at all. It's gotta be like 5 foot deep. Whoa! That was a pickerel popped right out of the... Oh, I hope you guys seen that. I don't know if it's a wise idea to get a pickerel here. Oh, dang, he missed it. Well, at least we know they're here. I'm gonna switch my lure to a fish sting. That way we can get these guys, because the frog's kind of hard to get these fish on. Oh, he's gonna pop right in the freaking boat. All right, guys, I'm gonna try my custom lure I make, the lizard pole. Let's see what happens. Damn it, the oar. Oh, damn it. He got off. No, he didn't. Well, I'm moving. The drag's too loose. I don't know how I'm gonna get this guy. Oh, these weeds are crap. I don't know how I'm gonna get this in. The weeds are just crap. Look at this. Jesus Christ. He's gotta be off. Yep. There's no way you're gonna get a fish in these freaking weeds. Let me try over here. The good old freaking lizard pole got him. Oh, damn it. Something went after the lizard pole. Oh, oh. Lizard pole did it again. Almost popped the boat. You gotta work this lizard pole on the surface. That's what I designed it for. Oh, damn it. I keep getting off. Oh. Stole my lizard pole. I'm gonna move. Oh, something. If I can get him. It's going in the weeds. Oh, the boat's pulling. Toby's in the weeds. There he is. What is it? It's a bass. I'm new at this, guys. I gotta get my reacher tool here. Woo! There you go. I finally got one. Went out some string here. Like I said, I'm new at this, so let me wipe off the lens here. It's a nice one. There he is, guys. A nice fatty. Whew, it's hard in the boat. I never did this before. But let's let him go. I'm just gonna throw him in. Right here. Goodbye. Thanks for biting. Beauty. Damn weeds. Got him. Got him. I'll take this one right in the boat. Better than nothing. Weed fish. Nothing like getting weeds all over you. I'm gonna clean this lens off. Got that little beauty out in the weeds over there. Let's let him go. There just ain't nothing popping. Oh, got some. I'm bringing him up quick because I don't want him to get in these weeds. And the boat's going. Oh, don't go in the weeds, little bugger. I'm gonna bring him right in the boat. Whoa! There you go. Oh, it was nice to catch him right there. Look at that beauty. It's pretty fat. Let's let him go. Let him go. Pickerel hunter here. I gotta deflate the boat now and pack it up. It was the first time I was ever out on a boat, so I didn't do too well, but at least I caught some beauties. And I think next time I go out, I'll do better. I gotta do a better anchor system. I think I'm gonna get one of them retractable dog collars. You can pull in and out with a button. That'll work good when you pull up the anchor. Anyhow, it was fun for the first time. I ain't gonna lie. I've never been on a boat like this. I was a little scared. But it was fun, and I'll probably be back again. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate the support. Give me the thumbs up if you like the video. And Pickerel Hunter, I'll see you next time.